student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. Today I am telling you study of compound. Compound name is hydrogen chloride gas. So first I am telling you what is the molecular formula of hydrogen chloride gas is HCl and bond present in hydrogen chloride is covalent. So look here all the points one by one. Molecular formula. Molecular formula. Molecular formula of hydrogen chloride gas is HCl. After this, next point is molecular mass. Molecular mass. Molecular mass of hydrogen chloride is mass of hydrogen is 1. You know what is molecular mass? Sum of atomic mass is called molecular mass. What is molecular mass? Sum of atomic mass. Sum of atomic mass is called molecular mass. So atomic mass of hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5, total become 36.5 unit. After this, next point is bond. Which types of bond present here? So bond is covalent. Bond name is covalent. Now question is why covalent bond present here? The chemical bond formed by the sharing of electron is called covalent bond. Chemical bond formed by the sharing of electron. By the sharing of electrons. Chemical bond formed by the sharing of electrons is called covalent bond. Student, I am telling you all the points again. Molecular formula of hydrogen chloride is HCl. Molecular mass is 36.5 unit. Bond is covalent bond. The chemical bond formed by the sharing of electron. Sharing of electrons are called covalent bond. Okay. Next is dot structure. Dot structure or Lewis structure. We can also say dot structure, or other name is Lewis structure. Dot structure or Lewis structure. This is H, this is Cl. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So 1 electron present in hydrogen. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration 287. In the last cell 7 electron present. These atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration 287. 7 electron present in the last cell. So these 7 electron take part in bond formation. So we have to take here 7 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Hydrogen take 1 electron to complete its duplet. 7 plus 1 electron 8. So look here, sharing of 1 electron take place. So this is the dot structure of or Lewis structure of hydrogen chloride. Sharing of 1 electron takes place. So we have to use here. We can write H. Sharing of 1 electron takes place. Then single covalent bond is formed. This is single covalent bond Cl. HCl. After this, next point is orbital diagram. Orbital diagram of hydrogen chloride. In this case, next is orbital structure or orbital diagram of hydrogen chloride. Look here, orbital diagram. Orbital diagram. In case of orbital diagram, this is first you know very well for what is the formula of hydrogen chloride. Formula of hydrogen chloride is HCl. So first we have to write H. This is the nucleus contain 1 proton and one electron present here, one electron present in hydrogen, so we have to show one electron in this way. After this, next is this is chlorine, and chlorine contain, look here again, I am telling you simple way, this is hydrogen and atomic number of hydrogen 1, so one cell we have to show here, okay. And after this, next chlorine, atomic number of chlorine is 17, electronic configuration of 17 is 287, so in first cell 2 electron present, 1 2, in second cell 8 electron present, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, in third cell 7 electron present, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now this one electron sharing takes place, I have just told you, one electron sharing takes place between H and Cl, so we have to show this one electron here in this way, this is and after this is 2 17, atomic number of chlorine is 17, electronic configuration 2 8 7, 2 electron, after this 8 electron, and after this 7 electron, we have to show 7 electron in this way. This is first we have to show 1 electron, and this is 1 electron sharing takes place, 1 2, total 7 electron in last cell, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay students, so this is the orbital diagram of HCl. After this, next is a method of preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen gas combined with chlorine gas in diffused sunlight to form hydrogen chloride gas. So method of preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Method of preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. First method is direct combination. First method is direct combination. From the name it is clear, direct combination. Dear student, you can learn it in simple way. Hydrogen gas combined with chlorine gas in presence of diffused sunlight. Hydrogen gas combined with chlorine gas in a diffused sunlight. Diffused sunlight to form 2H and 2Cl combined to form 2HCl. Listen to me again, dear student. Direct combination method or by synthesis method, preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen gas combined with, plus means combine, hydrogen gas combined with chlorine gas to in presence of diffuse sunlight to form hydrogen chloride. Next is laboratory method. Lab method of preparation. Lab method of preparation. So in the laboratory, hydrogen chloride gas is prepared. In the laboratory, hydrogen chloride gas can be prepared by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4. In the laboratory, hydrogen chloride gas is prepared by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid on sodium chloride. Concentrated sulfuric acid on sodium chloride. This is concentrate. And reaction takes place first way below 200 degrees Celsius. It form H and Cl combine to form HCl, and we get NaHSO4, sodium hydrogen sulfate. Okay, and after this, second reaction takes place in two steps. sodium hydrogen sulfate. Sodium hydrogen sulfate react with sodium chloride. Temperature above 200 degrees Celsius. Temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius. We get HNCl combined to form HCl plus Na2SO4. Na2SO4. Student, I am telling you lab method of preparation again. In the laboratory, hydrogen chloride gas can be prepared by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium chloride. Concentrated sulfuric acid react with sodium chloride below 200 degrees Celsius to form hydrogen chloride gas. Step 2, sodium hydrogen sulfate react with sodium chloride above 200 degrees Celsius form hydrogen chloride. Okay students, next is purification of hydrogen chloride gas. Purification of hydrogen chloride gas. So purification of hydrogen chloride gas. Purification of HCl. What is the purification of HCl? It is dried by passing concentrated sulfuric acid. It is dried by passing concentrate sulfuric acid. Okay, it is dried by passing concentrate sulfuric acid. The other drying agent, phosphorus pentaoxide quicklime, cannot be used. Other drying agent, phosphorus pentaoxide and calcium oxide, cannot be used for the purification of HCl. It is dried by passing concentrated sulfuric acid. Other drying agent such as phosphorus pentaoxide and calcium oxide cannot be used because they react with hydrogen chloride gas. Example, look here. Calcium oxide react with HCl gas to form calcium chloride and water. So calcium oxide, phosphorus pentaoxide cannot be used for dried HCl gas. Okay students, next point is after this next topic is physical properties of hydrogen chloride gas. Physical properties hydrogen chloride gas. So first physical property is physical property number 1. Physical property 1 is color. So color is colorless. Color is colorless. Number 2, physical property number 2 is smell. Pungent choking smell. Smell of hydrogen chloride gas is pungent choking smell. Pungent choking smell. Taste, sour in taste. Number 3 is taste. Sour in taste. Sour or acidic in taste. Okay. Number 4 is density. Density of HCl is 18.25. Density of HCl is 18.25. Number 5 is boiling point. Boiling point of HCl is 83 degrees Celsius, minus 83 degrees Celsius. Melting point of HCl is number 6 is melting point of HCl is minus 113 degree Celsius. Okay students, next solubility. Number 7 is solubility. Hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water. Solubility, highly soluble in water. Hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water. Hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water. Okay, students. After this, next topic is chemical properties. So first chemical property is combustion. Look here. Chemical properties of hydrogen chloride gas. First chemical property is combustion. The gas is neither combustible. Combustion means burning. What is the meaning of combustion? Burning. So listen to me, dear student. Combustion. Hydrogen chloride gas is neither combustible nor support of combustion. Hydrogen chloride gas is neither combustible nor support combustion, nor a supporter of combustion, nor a supporter of combustion. Okay, student, this is the first chemical property. It does not burn. Okay. Number two, second chemical property is thermal dissociation. So second chemical property is thermal dissociation. Number two is thermal dissociation. Look here, thermal dissociation. This is hydrogen chloride gas. Thermal dissociation on heating above 500 degrees Celsius, it dissociates into hydrogen and chlorine. On heating above 500 degrees Celsius, it dissociates into hydrogen and chlorine. HCl gas above 500 degrees Celsius dissociate to give hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. So temperature is above 500 degrees Celsius. Next chemical property is reaction with metals. Hydrogen chloride gas react with metal to form their metal chloride. Okay, hydrogen chloride gas reaction with metal. Number three is reaction with metal. Hydrogen chloride gas react with metal to form their metal chloride and hydrogen gas. Look here, metal, hydrogen chloride to form metal chloride and hydrogen gas. First metal is sodium. So look here, sodium metal react with hydrogen chloride gas to form 2Na and 2Cl combined to form 2NaCl plus H2 hydrogen gas. Second metal, calcium. Calcium react with hydrogen chloride to form calcium chloride CaCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Okay. Next is zinc. Zinc metal react with hydrogen chloride gas to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So this is the reaction with metal. Similarly, iron. This is the most important reaction. Come in the board exam 2020. Okay. Iron react with HCl to form ferrous chloride FeCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Student, this reaction come in board exam 2020. You can see paper of 2020. Okay, students. After this, next question is a reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. Number four. Number four is a reaction with ammonia. Ammonia. Formula of ammonia is NH3. Hydrogen chloride gas react with ammonia gas. This H attach here, it become NH4Cl. NH4Cl. So we can say, listen, hydrogen chloride gas combine with ammonia gas, hydrogen chloride gas combine with ammonia gas to form dense white fumes of ammonium chloride, to form dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. This is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Again listen to me last time. Hydrogen chloride gas combine with ammonia gas to form dense white fumes of ammonium chloride gas. This reaction is also important, students. In the last year, 10 years, 7 times come in board exam. Student, I hope that you can understand all the points in this video or lecture. So like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Okay, students?